सभी को जय माता दी। कुणाल बिंदल जी आते हैं, ये एक रेफरेंस क्लाइंट है जो ऑलरेडी मेरे क्लाइंट है मिस्टर गर्ग, उन्होंने रेफरेंस दिया था। मयूर विहार फेस 1 में इनकी रिहाइश है, आजकल जर्मनी में सेटल्ड है। ही इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स। सेशन लिया इन्होंने सेंटर पे आके, इनके घर पे भी जाता हूं मैं। खुद ही बताएंगे कैसा लगा सेशन लेके और क्या क्या रिकमेंड करते हैं लाइफ के बारे में, लोगों को क्या क्या चीजों को ध्यान रखना चाहिए, बताइए प्लीज।
Okay. So, to start with, I would like to sort of reflect on my own personal experience and journey. So, I have lived across various countries, starting from US to India to Germany over the course of my professional career.
Oh, great.
And I used to be, when I was young, I used to go to the gym very regularly, and I had some injury sort of history. As a result, there was a time in my life when my body was really hard, and along with my work, it aggravated my injury to the extent like, my left side of my body had become really like a rock. So I have been to a lot of therapists around the world, and I have tried various therapies, starting from chiropractic treatment to rolfing to deep tissue massages, and I have and I can say for sure, like, I have myself experienced. I'm the perfect patient probably. So I have experienced at least hundreds of massages, and every time I'm looking for a therapist, I'm very watchful whether he knows his stuff or not, because I don't want him to hurt me more, and whether he can help me or not. So people have different kind of opinions about Indian massage, and obviously there is a whole span of massages, right? Indian massage is kind of special in certain ways that if you get the right practitioner, he can help you.
That's
and
right.
I think when I met Mr. Rajput, he gave me that confidence that he can help me. And while I took his all his feedback and all the claims he was making, right, I was also trying to still watch whether he can really help me or not. And the journey started like 3 days back, because I was here only for a short while, and in these 3-4 days we have come together. We have been talking a lot, but I also see like he has a lot of experience with him wherein he can help me, and we have gone through various sessions, and I think I want to continue with him, and in fact I've become his personal mascot, wherein I'm recommending him to already several of my family, friends.
Thanks a lot, sir.
And also I'm he's helping my parents, so while I'm gone, I know my parents will be in a safe hands. So thanks a lot.
So are you satisfied with the therapy till now?
Yeah, I'm very satisfied.
Satisfied?
And I hope to continue whenever I'm back.
And you're most welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Jai
you.
Mata Di. Jai Mata Di, sir.